Wow. So I'm very excited to unbox this one. Ooh, here. Wow. Sturdy lock. So I already unlocked it. Okay, let's put it first there. And now what's in the box? And meet your Kindle Scribe. It's here. And activate your Kindle Scribe power. Okay, just some paper. Here is the pencil. And here is the charger. Okay. That's it, and set aside this one. Let's go directly to the Kindle Scribe. Let's open it. Whoa. Wow. I feel that it's really premium. Ooh. Set aside this one. And the switch is here. Here is the switch here. So I'm going to turn it on. Oh. I hope that it's charged. Yes. Really nice. Waiting. I'm gonna take phone video for this one. And now it says here English. Then next. Choose region. I like the United Kingdom. So yeah. It's loading. I'm very excited. Oops. So I'm gonna pair it with my phone, or set up using phone. Just one moment. I have to connect the Wi-Fi first. Log in using the password. Still authenticating. Okay. Let's go. Just one moment. Turn on the device using a Kindle ID or account. Oops, yes, your Kindle is restarting. My Kindle is restarting. Okay, it restarted. This one. Kindle Scribe is that it has like the Amazon. Okay, So Amazon has lots of books and free books, free ebooks and dictionary. You just have to type a word. Okay, my Kindle already restarting again. Uh-huh. Okay, so I have to enter my code. Yeah, I have a Goodreads account, but I will do it later. Yeah, it only says to start 30-day trial. No thanks. Because I already have a Kindle Unlimited account. So here. My library is currently empty. Yeah. Okay, it's open. Here. Okay, I'm trying to test this one out. Just give me one moment. I'm gonna use the pencil. It's here. If it will work, I'll go to the notebook. Ooh. And then here, notebook. I'm gonna choose templates. I really don't know, but I really like dotted templates. So hit create, and then okay, and meet your stylus toolbar, minimize and start writing, highlight and erase, lasso select, and pointer, clipboard, undo and redo, done. Okay, so since I am left-handed, I'm gonna move this, how do you call this one, to the left. Perfect. This is actually the space here. Spacer is actually very good for me because I am left-handed, so I can rest my hand on it. Okay, let's just start writing right away. Oops, I accidentally pressed the button. This is actually the premium pen, so it's set to the what do you call, the highlighter. So yeah, I think that's one of the disadvantages of the premium pen, because you accidentally press the button. Okay, so write it. Wow, it feels like paper. It's really smooth. One thing that I don't like the dotted template is that it's too visible. Okay, unlike the Kindle, the Remarkable 2, the dotted template is not that visible, all the dots. But how can I complain? It's really good. Very good eraser. It sounds like paper, and it feels like paper as well. And yeah, I can choose fountain pen, marker, and pencil, and different strokes here. Eraser, lasso tool, clipboard. No. Yeah. And also I ordered, it's included with my order, with what my partner, this is included. My partner also bought this one. This is the adapter, Amazon adapter. Yeah, this one. Also, he bought this together with the Kindle Scribe folio. Okay, let's just set aside this one, the Kindle, and this is the Amazon adapter. Oh, it's feels like really solid. Now let's do this, the Kindle Scribe folio or cover. I choose he chose the burgundy. It's really nice. It's leather feeling. It's not the the cloth thing, because they said the cloth is no good because it wears out like here, but this is the leather one. Oh, I'm happy that he bought this one, a leather one. This is the color burgundy, and this is how you're gonna oh, so there is different position for this one along with your Kindle. Now let's put on this Kindle to this cover. Yeah, if you can see here, I think the 4 dots here in all corners, it's the magnet, so it's, if you're gonna put it here, it's gonna attach right away because it's just magnetized. Okay, and okay. Oh, by the way, I like the cover. Really moody feeling. Okay, it's here, but you have to be careful because it's just a magnet. It can easily, you can detached. Sometimes it can, I think it can be detached. Yeah. And that's the end of the unboxing of the Kindle Scribe. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.